morning students. Now we can discuss the miscellaneous problems on chapter 3. In the last class we studied symmetric and skew-symmetric matrix. Every matrix can be expressed as the sum of symmetric and skew-symmetric matrix. Every square matrix. Okay, now I would like to discuss that miscellaneous problem. As you know that the next exercise, that means exercise 3.4, elementary operation. That concept of elementary operation is deleted from our this year's topic. So and now I move to the miscellaneous problems. I'm not starting from first onwards. That in between I am giving questions in between. So this is question number 6. Question number 6. Miscellaneous exercise. Question number 6. Find the values of x, y, z. If the matrix is given, matrix A is equal to 0, 2y, z, x, y minus z, x minus y, z. Satisfies the equation A transpose into A. A transpose into A is equal to I. Okay? Matrix A is given. Matrix A is given. A transpose is given. A and A transpose are given. Okay, A is given. We have to find a transpose. Do you remember how to find a transpose? We rows and columns A transpose I, matrix A transpose. Now let's multiply A transpose into A. A transpose into A. We can multiply this. How to multiply matrix multiplication? Row column operation. 0 into 0, 0 plus x into x, x square plus x into x, x square. Clear? Okay. The next element is 0 into y, 0, x into y plus xy, then x into minus y, minus xy. Next is 0 into z, 0, minus xz, then x into z plus xz. The next row 2y into 0, 0, then 2y into x, that is 2yx, 2y into x, 2y into 0, 0, y into x, xy, y into x, xy, y into that minus xy. And next 2y into 2y, 2 into 2, 4, 4y square plus y square plus y square. And next 2yz, 2yz, minus yz, again minus yz. Last z into 0, 0, minus zx or xz, minus xz plus xz. Next z into 2y, 2. Okay, then z into 2y, 2yz, minus yz, minus yz. Okay, then next z into z, z square, z into minus z, again is z square, is z square. One multiplication we get like this. So we can have 2x square. Here minus xy plus xy 0. Minus z plus 0. Then xy minus xy 0. 4y square plus y square plus y square. 4y, that is 6y square. And here it is 2yz minus yz minus yz 0. Here it is also 0. Here it is 0. And here 3z square. We get like this. And it is equal to I. What is I? I is the identity matrix. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Then let us equate this. We can equate this. 2x square is equal to 1. 2x square is equal to 1. First of all, we get 2x square is equal to 1. Then x square is equal to 1 by 2. That means x is equal to plus or minus root of 1 by 2. That is, and similarly, 6y square is equal to 1. 6y square is equal to 1. Y square is equal to 1 by 6. And y is equal to plus or minus root of 1 by 6. Okay. Similarly, 3z square is equal to 1. And z square is equal to 1 by 3. And z is equal to plus or minus root of 1 by 3. That is plus or minus 1 by root 3. Okay. I hope you understood this. Then matrix A is given. To satisfy the equation A transpose into A is equal to I. A transpose നമ്മൾ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. How to find A transpose? Interchange rows and columns, you get A transpose. A transpose into A, matrix multiplication. You carry out the matrix multiplication. And matrix multiplication is equal to I. I, we know that identity matrix. Okay. Then on comparing 2x square is equal to 1, that means x square is equal to 1 by 2 and x is equal to root of 1 by 2. That means plus or minus 1 by root 2. Similarly, we get xy and z. xy and z. Okay. Now question number 9. Ninth question. Find x if matrix x is a row matrix x minus y1, then square matrix 3 by 3 matrix, then another matrix is equal to 0. We have to find the value of x. Here 3 matrices are given. We know that matrix multiplication is associative. Multiply multiply. First of all, we can multiply these two matrices. Okay, let's multiply. How to multiply? Row, column. 1 into x, x. Then plus minus 5 into 0, 0. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2. Okay, first element, we get the first element. Second element, x into 0, 0. Then minus 10, 0. Minus 10, minus 0. Okay, the next element, 2x, minus 5, minus 3. Okay, then these two multiplied, next we can multiply this matrix. Okay, now x minus 2 into minus 10, then here we have 2x minus 8. We can multiply with x for 1. We can multiply, do the matrix multiplication. Okay, let's do the matrix multiplication. X into x minus 2. X into x minus 2. Next step, minus 10 into 4. Minus 10 into 4, minus 40. Plus 1 into 2x minus 8. 1 into 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. It's given. It's equal to 0 given. X square minus 2x minus 40 plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. Minus 2x plus 2x get cancelled. X square minus 48 is equal to 0. X square is equal to 48. Therefore, x is equal to root of 48. Plus or minus root of 48. How to write 48? 48 is 16 into 3. Root 16 is 4. So the answer x is equal to plus or minus 4 root 3. Did you understand? Simply multiply this and equate to 0. You will get the answer x is equal to plus or minus 4 root 3. Okay? Next question. Okay, find the matrix x so that x is equal to matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here, we wanted to find a matrix x. But x is a matrix. It's not a constant. Here x is a matrix. We get matrix multiply, we get minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, like that. Understood? Equals, first of all, we have to find x into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is equal to minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, 2, 4, 6. And we suppose this matrix is in the order m by n. And here what is the order of this matrix? This matrix is in the order 2 by 3. Then the resultant matrix will be in the order m by 3. Isn't it? The resultant matrix will be in the order m by 3. Okay? Then here you can see that m by 3. Here what is m here? M rows 2 by 3. So from that we can understand that m is equal to 2. And slide ഇവിടെ ഇത് 2 by 3 ആണ്, ഇവിടെ 2 by 3 ആണ്. 2 by 3 കിട്ടണമെങ്കിൽ that first matrix columns എത്ര columns ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കണം? 2 columns. But we know that m by n matrix multiplied by n by p, then resultant matrix will be in the order m by p എന്നുള്ളതായിരിക്കും. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ resultant matrix m by p എന്നുള്ള matrix 2 by 3 ആയതുകൊണ്ട് m, അതായത് ഈ ഫസ്റ്റ് കിടക്കുന്ന x എന്നുള്ള matrixന്റെ number of rows എത്രയായിരിക്കും? 2 rows. ഇനി columns കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് we know this x is a matrix, this is a matrix. This matrix is multiplied with another matrix. Matrix multiplication is defined if and only if number of columns of first matrix must be equal to number of rows of the second matrix. ഇവിടെ എത്ര rows ഉണ്ടെന്ന് നോക്കിയേ 2 rows. Then here how many columns will be there? 2 columns. Then only number of columns of the first matrix must be equal to number of rows of the second matrix. So that means number of columns is equal to 2. So this is a 2 by 2 matrix. I hope you understood X is a 2 by 2. From this we can understand that X is a 2 by 2 matrix. ഈ 2 by 2 matrix എങ്ങനെ നമുക്ക് എഴുതാവുന്നുണ്ട്? Simply you can put A, B, C, D. It's a 2 by 2 matrix. Clear? ഈ നമ്മളിത് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്തിട്ട് എയും ബിയും സിയും ഡിയും കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Understood? Now we have then X into this. Here we take let X is equal to A, B, C, D. It's a 2 by 2 matrix. Then X into that is A, B, C, D into this matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That we get this matrix. So we can multiply. Matrix multiplication, row column 1 into A plus 4B, first element. Second element, what will be the second element? A plus 4B, second element 2A plus 5B. Next element 3A plus 6B. അടുത്തത് C plus 4D. Next 2C plus 5D. The next 3C plus 6D. This is equal to minus 7. This is equal to minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, 2, 4, 6. Okay, now let us equate. നമുക്ക് ഇത് equate ചെയ്യാം. Then from that A plus 4B is equal to minus 7, and the second equation 2A plus 5B is equal to minus 8, and next equation 3A plus 6B is equal to minus 9. From this we can find A and B. First equation, second equation. Let us consider first and second equation. First equation multiply by 2. Equation number 1 multiplied by 2. What we get? 2A plus 8B is equal to minus 14. 2A plus 8B is equal to minus 14. That is equation number 3. Then 3 minus 1. And subtracting എന്തുവരും? Okay. On subtracting what we get? 3 minus 2. On subtracting what we get? Or 2A minus 2A, 0. 8B minus 5B, 3B is equal to minus 14 minus of minus 8. That is minus 6. B, we get B is equal to minus 2. If you get B is equal to minus 2, what is A? A plus 4B is equal to minus 7. A plus 4 into minus 2 is equal to minus 7. A plus minus 8 is equal to minus 7. Then A is equal to minus 7 plus 8. That is A is equal to 1. We get A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 2. Now let's find C. C plus 4D. C plus 4D, what we get? 2. And next 2C plus 5D is equal to 4. First equation, second equation. First equation multiply by 2. Elimination method, you know that. 2C plus 8D is equal to, here if you multiply by 4, we get 4. Then subtracting it. On subtracting what we get? 3D is equal to 0. That gives D is equal to 0. If D is equal to 0, what is? If D is equal to 0, what is C? C plus 4D is equal to 0. Then C plus C is equal to, C plus 4D is equal to 2. C plus 4D is equal to 2. That means C is equal to 2. So what is our required matrix? What is our required matrix? Required matrix A, B, C, D. What is it? What is A here? What is A here? Find out the required matrix. We have A, B and C. We have A is equal to 1 and B. We got B is equal to minus 2 and C we got it 2 and D is equal to 0. This is our required matrix. This is our required matrix. Okay, I hope you understood this. Okay, let's discuss this once more. Then find a matrix X so that X into matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is equal to this. X into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ഈ രണ്ട് മെട്രിക്സ് ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ ആദ്യം നമ്മൾ നോക്കണം വാട്ട് വിൽ ബി ദ ഓർഡർ ഓഫ് എക്സ്. എക്സിന്റെ ഓർഡർ എക്സ് വിൽ ബി എ 2x2 മെട്രിക്സ്. എക്സ് എന്ത് തരത്തിലുള്ള മെട്രിക്സ് ആയിരിക്കും? 2x2 മെട്രിക്സ്. ഹൗ ഡു വി ഫൈൻഡ്? ഇതിനകത്ത് റോസ് 2 റോസ് ആണ്. അപ്പൊ ഇത് ഈ മെട്രിക്സിന് 2 റോസ് കാണും. പിന്നെ ഇവിടെ നോക്കുമ്പോഴും രണ്ട് റോസ് ആണുള്ളത്. ഫസ്റ്റ് മെട്രിക്സിന്റെ നമ്പർ ഓഫ് കോളം മസ്റ്റ് ബി ഈക്വൽ ടു സെക്കൻഡ് മെട്രിക്സിന്റെ നമ്പർ ഓഫ് റോസ്. അപ്പൊ ഇത് 2x2 മെട്രിക്സ് ആണ്. ആ 2x2 മെട്രിക്സിന് നമ്മൾ ABCD എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടു മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്തു, ഈക്വൈറ്റ് ചെയ്തു. നമ്മൾ ലീനിയർ ഇക്വേഷൻസ് ഇൻ 2 വേരിയബിൾസ് വെച്ചിട്ട് അത് സിംപ്ലിഫൈ ചെയ്യും. എയും ബിയും സിയും ഡിയും കിട്ടും. അത് നമ്മൾ അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ മതി. ആൻസർ എന്ത് കിട്ടും? 1 - 2 2 0. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് അവർ ആൻസർ. ഡിഡ് യു അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ് ദിസ്? അപ്പോൾ ഇതുപോലത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് എക്സാമ്പിൾ കിടപ്പുണ്ട്. അതെല്ലാം നോക്കിയിട്ട് പഠിക്കുക. ഓക്കെ.